One SUV on this list cost its owner €12,000 in repairs before hitting 50,000 kilometers. Another caught family in a family's driveway, burning down their garage. But some SUVs are making their owners rich. One model appreciated €8,000 in value while similar cars lost money. European insurance companies are refusing to cover certain SUVs entirely, while others offer premium discounts for reliability. We've analyzed real owner data, insurance claims, and resale values to expose the 5 SUVs destroying families financially and the 4 models making smart buyers wealthy. Miss them and you could choose the wrong side of automotive history. European SUV buyers are living in 2 completely different realities. While some owners celebrate vehicles that save money, hold value, and provide years of reliable service, others are trapped in automotive nightmares costing thousands in unexpected repairs, insurance claims, and catastrophic depreciation. We've analyzed real ownership data from across Europe, including insurance claim frequencies, repair costs, resale values, and owner satisfaction surveys from ADAC, Which, and Euro NCAP. The financial differences are shocking. Some SUVs cost owners over €5,000 annually in hidden expenses, while others actually appreciate in value. The patterns are clear. Certain manufacturers prioritize profit extraction over customer satisfaction, engineering deliberate failures and expensive maintenance requirements. Others focus on building genuine value that rewards customer loyalty with reliable, appreciating assets. If you're shopping for an SUV this year, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because choosing the wrong vehicle could cost you thousands, while picking the right one could make you money. Starting with the disasters at number 5, we have the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe, an €80,000 plug-in hybrid that's systematically destroying its owner's finances through insurance costs, fire risks, and catastrophic depreciation. This isn't just a bad car, it's a financial weapon targeting unsuspected families. The battery fire scandal reveals the true horror of Grand Cherokee ownership. In September 2024, Stellantis recalled 35,000 units globally because they were spontaneously combusting while parked or charging. Owners received emergency notices: do not charge your vehicle, do not park near your home. Multiple house fires were directly linked to these vehicles before the recall. Insurance companies responded with devastating premium increases. Grand Cherokee 4xe policies cost 65% more than comparable SUVs, with some insurers refusing fire damage coverage entirely. Owners face annual insurance costs exceeding €3,500, more than many people's entire car payments. The financial carnage extends beyond insurance. 3-year depreciation hits 68%, meaning an €80,000 investment becomes just worth €25,600. That's a €54,400 loss, plus massive insurance and repair costs. European owners report spending over €8,000 annually on insurance, maintenance, and depreciation combined. Real owner testimonials reveal the psychological trauma. One German family's garage burned down while their Grand Cherokee charged overnight. Insurance initially refused coverage, citing known defects. After months of legal battles, they received partial compensation but lost €35,000 in property damage plus the vehicle's value. The hybrid system compounds financial misery through poor reliability and expensive repairs. Electric-only range barely reaches 40 kilometers, half what BMW delivers, while the complex dual powertrain design generates expensive failures. Average repair costs exceed €2,800 annually for owners past warranty coverage. At number 4, the Land Rover Discovery represents automotive financial fraud disguised as luxury engineering. Starting at €65,000, this SUV systematically destroys owner finances through engineered failures, predatory service pricing, and manipulative warranty limitations. The air suspension system exemplifies planned obsolescence perfection. Land Rover engineers designed the system to fail predictably between 60,000 and 80,000 kilometers, just after warranty expiration. Replacement cost €3,500 to €4,500 per axle, meaning complete system failure can exceed €9,000. Internal Land Rover service bulletins obtained through regulatory filings reveal the company expects these failures within specific mileage ranges. They deliberately positioned electronic components where moisture exposure guarantees failure, ensuring predictable replacement revenue from captive customers. According to JD Power's 2024 Vehicle Dependability Study, Discovery owners report 267 problems per 100 vehicles, the worst in the luxury SUV segment. These aren't minor issues either. They are expensive electronic failures requiring dealer diagnosis at €180 per hour. Real-world fuel consumption destroys owner budgets through deceptive efficiency claims. Official ratings suggest 8.4 litres per 100 kilometers, but ADAC testing reveals actual consumption of 12.3 litres per 100 kilometers. For owners driving 20,000 kilometers annually, this depreciation costs an extra €1,200 in fuel expenses. The depreciation disaster reflects market awareness of reliability problems. 3-year-old Discoveries lose 61% of their value as buyers recognize the ownership cost reality. Combined with repair bills, insurance cost, and fuel expenses, total annual ownership costs often exceed €8,500 beyond loan payments. European emissions restrictions add final insult to financial injury. Discovery diesels face increasing access restrictions in major cities, with additional fees and driving limitations reducing utility while maintaining all ownership costs. Number 3 is the Ford Kuga, the European SUV that's achieved legendary status for all of the wrong reasons. This €35,000 family-friendly vehicle has generated more safety recalls than some manufacturers produce in entire model years, destroying owner confidence and financial security. The 1.5-litre EcoBoost engine represents automotive Russian roulette. Ford has issued 23 separate recalls for fire risks since 2019, yet continues installing the same defective design. Owners report sudden oil loss, metal contamination, and complete engine seizures requiring €8,500 replacements. The hybrid model recall disaster epitomizes Ford's contempt for customer safety. In February 2025, Ford recalled 27,000 Kugas globally due to battery modules that overheat or ignite. The company's solution? Tell owners not to charge their hybrid vehicles. Imagine paying €38,000 for a hybrid SUV you can't safely charge. Insurance companies have responded, with Kuga-specific premium increases averaging 43% above comparable SUVs. Some insurers exclude engine fire coverage entirely, leaving owners completely exposed to property damage claims that could exceed €200,000 if the vehicle ignites near buildings. Repair cost manipulation reveals Ford's systematic customer exploitation. Average annual Kuga maintenance exceeds €1,850, nearly double comparable vehicles. Ford deliberately uses proprietary components and complex procedures to trap customers in expensive dealer service relationships. The resale value collapse reflects market recognition of systematic problems. Kugas lose 58% of their value in 3 years as buyers avoid vehicles with documented safety problems. Combined with insurance, maintenance, and repair costs, Kuga ownership often costs €6,500 plus annually beyond depreciation. Owner testimonials reveal the psychological trauma of Kuga ownership. Multiple European families report vehicles stalling in traffic with children aboard, sudden power loss on motorways, and the constant anxiety of potential fire risks during normal operation. Number 2, the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross proves that some automotive investments are guaranteed financial disasters. This €32,000 SUV delivers such poor value that it's destroying owner finances through record-breaking depreciation, expensive maintenance, and complete market rejection. The depreciation catastrophe is historically unprecedented. Eclipse Cross models lose 71% of their value in 3 years, worse than any other mainstream SUV ever recorded. A €32,000 investment becomes worth €9,280, representing a €22,720 loss plus all ownership costs. Performance inadequacy compounds financial misery through poor efficiency and reliability. The 1.5-litre turbo engine delivers just 161 horsepower while consuming 9.4 litres per 100 kilometers in real-world driving. Owners pay premium fuel costs for economy car performance. Build quality problems generate expensive ongoing repairs that insurance rarely covers. Common failures include CVT transmission problems costing €4,200 to repair, electrical system malfunctions requiring €2,800 replacements, and suspension component failures averaging €1,650 per incident. The manufacturer support disaster leaves owners completely abandoned. Mitsubishi's European network is collapsing, with many dealerships closing or refusing Eclipse Cross service. Parts availability is limited, with some components requiring 8 to 12-week delivery from Japan at premium prices. Insurance costs reflect industry recognition of Eclipse Cross problems. Premiums average 31% higher than comparable SUVs due to frequent claims and expensive repairs. Combined with catastrophic depreciation, owners face total annual costs exceeding €9,500 for a vehicle worth less each day. Market rejection is so complete that used car dealers refuse Eclipse Cross trade-ins at any price. The vehicles are literally unsellable, trapping owners in depreciating assets they cannot escape through normal market mechanisms. Taking the #1 disaster spot is the BMW iX, a €100,000 plus electric SUV that represents the ultimate in customer exploitation disguised as German luxury. This vehicle systematically destroys owner finances through software failures, predatory service costs, and engineered obsolescence. The iDrive 8 software system represents functional fraud. BMW charges €100,000 plus for technology that crashes multiple times per day, requires constant dealer visits for basic updates, and often leaves vehicles completely inoperable. Yet, BMW charges €3,200 for software upgrades that should fix problems they created. Software cost manipulation reveals BMW's systematic customer abuse. Basic software diagnosis costs €280 per hour, with complex problems requiring multiple sessions. Hardware replacements are criminally expensive. The main computer costs €6,800. Charging controllers cost €3,200. And even door handles cost €450 each. The charging infrastructure disaster makes the iX nearly unusable as intended. Despite promises of 200 kilowatt charging, most units achieve only 120 kilowatt maximum, with frequent charging failures requiring expensive BMW-specific solutions. Range anxiety becomes charging terror when your €100,000 SUV can't reliably charge. Warranty manipulation represents systematic customer fraud. BMW routinely denies software-related claims, blaming customers for user error while acknowledging internally that systems were released unfinished. Hardware failures are blamed on external factors, leaving owners exposed to massive repair costs. Depreciation is apocalyptic for electric BMW vehicles. 2-year-old iX models lose 67% of their value as buyers recognize the technology isn't ready for real-world use. A €120,000 investment becomes worth €39,600, representing an €80,400 loss plus ongoing service costs. Owner testimonials reveal systematic customer abuse. Multiple European iX owners report spending over €15,000 annually on insurance, service, depreciation, and repairs for vehicles they can't rely on for basic transportation needs. Starting the winners at number 4, we have the Toyota RAV4, the SUV that's actually making its owners money while competitors destroy their finances. Starting at €38,000, the RAV4 represents automotive investment rather than expense through exceptional reliability, strong resale values, and low ownership costs. The reliability advantage generates massive financial savings through eliminated repair costs. RAV4 owners report 73% fewer warranty claims than German luxury SUV competitors, with average annual maintenance costs of just €340. Compare this to BMW iX maintenance exceeding €2,800 annually. Resale value performance is extraordinary in the current market. 3-year-old RAV4s retain 78% of their original value, better than most luxury vehicles and some sports cars. In certain European markets, well-maintained RAV4s are selling for more than their original purchase price due to supply shortages. Insurance companies offer premium discounts for RAV4 ownership, recognizing the vehicle's exceptional safety record and low claim frequency. Average insurance costs are 28% below comparable SUVs, saving owners €800 plus annually in premium reductions. The hybrid technology delivers genuine long-term value through exceptional efficiency and durability. Real-world fuel consumption averages 4.9 liters per 100 kilometers, saving owners €1,500 plus annually compared to conventional SUVs. The battery system is warranted for 10 years because Toyota knows it will last. Owner financial testimonials reveal the RAV4's investment potential. Multiple European owners report total cost of ownership below €2,500 annually, including depreciation, maintenance, insurance, and fuel. Less than many people spend on lease payments alone. At number 3, the Skoda Kodiaq proves that smart engineering can deliver luxury experiences without luxury prices or luxury problems. Starting at €36,000, this 7-seat SUV provides premium vehicle functionality while generating positive financial returns for owners. The pricing strategy reveals honest automotive value. While German luxury brands charge €65,000 plus for comparable space and features, Skoda delivers equivalent functionality for €29,000 less. The difference isn't quality, it's profit margin manipulation that Skoda rejects. Reliability data destroys luxury brand superiority myths. Kodiaq owners report fewer problems than BMW X5 drivers despite paying half the price. Average annual maintenance costs €420, reasonable for what you receive, unlike German competitors charging €1,500 plus just for basic service. Resale value performance exceeds expectations for a value-orientated brand. Kodiaq's retained 69% of their value after 3 years, better than most luxury SUVs costing twice as much. Smart buyers are recognizing genuine value over badge manipulation. Insurance costs reflect industry recognition of Kodiaq build quality and safety. Premiums average 22% below luxury SUV rates while providing superior interior space and equipment levels. Family buyers save thousands annually while getting a more useful vehicle. The efficiency advantage delivers ongoing financial benefits through multiple powertrain options. The TDI diesel achieves 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers in real-world driving, while the plug-in hybrid provides 65 kilometers of electric range for daily commuting without gasoline consumption. And number 2, the Kia Sportage represents automotive confidence through industry-leading warranty coverage and exceptional reliability that's making owners money through avoided repair costs and strong resale performance. The 7-year unlimited mileage warranty reveals Kia's engineering confidence. While German manufacturers limit coverage to 3 years because they expect failures, Kia provides comprehensive protection because they build vehicles to last. The warranty coverage adds €3,000 plus in resale value compared to short warranty competitors. Reliability performance humiliates luxury competitors through superior engineering execution. Sportage owners report 64% fewer problems than Audi Q5 drivers, with virtually zero major component failures during warranty periods. German engineering excellence is revealed as marketing mythology. Technology integration delivers premium features at honest prices. The Sportage includes advanced driver assistance, premium audio, and connectivity features that German brands charge €8,000 plus extra for. Smart buyers get luxury functionality without luxury exploitation. Resale value strength reflects market recognition of Kia's transformation. Sportages retain 71% of their value after 3 years, outperforming many luxury competitors while costing significantly less initially. Buyers are choosing substance over badge manipulation. Owner satisfaction data confirms the Sportage value proposition. European buyers report 92% satisfaction rates, with total ownership costs averaging €3,200 annually including all expenses, less than many luxury SUV lease payments alone. Taking the number 1 winner position is the Lexus NX, the only luxury SUV that actually justifies premium pricing through engineering excellence, reliability, and ownership value that appreciates rather than destroys wealth. The hybrid technology represents genuine luxury through proven reliability and efficiency. Unlike German luxury brands selling complex systems that fail expensively, Lexus delivers 20-plus years of hybrid development that works flawlessly for decades. Battery warranties extend to 10 years because Lexus knows their systems last. Reliability performance destroys German luxury mythology through superior engineering. NX owners report 81% fewer problems than comparable Mercedes, BMW, or Audi models while receiving superior service experiences and fair maintenance pricing. Resale value performance is extraordinary even among luxury vehicles. NX models retain 82% of their value after 3 years, better than most exotic sports cars and significantly exceeding German luxury SUV performance. Buyers are paying for genuine rather than artificial luxury. Service cost honesty contrasts sharply with German luxury exploitation. Lexus maintenance averages €680 annually for comprehensive service, while German competitors charge €1,800 plus for equivalent coverage. Luxury doesn't require customer exploitation when engineering is genuinely superior. The ownership experience delivers authentic luxury through reliability, efficiency, and service excellence. NX owners enjoy premium transportation without the anxiety, expense, and manipulation that characterize German luxury ownership. These 9 SUVs prove that automotive purchasers represent either wealth building or wealth destruction, with no middle ground. The financial differences are shocking. Choosing the wrong SUV can cost over €10,000 annually in hidden expenses, while selecting the right value can generate a positive return. The pattern is clear. Manufacturers prioritizing customer value build vehicles that reward ownership through reliability, efficiency, and strong resale performance. Companies focused on profit extraction create deliberately problematic vehicles that generate ongoing service revenue through predictable failures. Smart European buyers are recognizing this reality and choosing vehicles based on total cost of ownership rather than badge prestige or marketing manipulation. The market is rewarding honest engineering while punishing customer exploitation. Before making any SUV purchase, calculate true ownership costs including insurance, maintenance, depreciation, and reliability history. The wrong choice could cost you thousands, while the right selection could make you some money. These financial realities are reshaping European automotive preferences as buyers demand genuine value over marketing manipulation. Choose wisely. Your financial future depends on it. Hit that subscribe button for more automotive financial investigations that could save or make you thousands. And check out our video exposing the 9 SUVs that European dealers desperately want you to avoid. The profit margins will shock you.